Guys, this is the second week. So as I said, in each week there will be different topics. So this week, what is it? It's all about reviews. So this week I'll be giving a review on what is it? It's this. So this is the EARPODS. So today I'm going to give a review on this EARPODS. So let's discussing about the specification. We can see here the DEMIN. So what are the specifications? We can see is it is a model of i76s. This is the version of it. So then also we can see that these are earpods which are wireless and can be connected using the Bluetooth, and they are microphone sensitivity. And next we can also see that frequency is still 2.40 GHz, means hertz. Next is battery capacity. It has a battery capacity of 35 mAh to 350 mAh. So next it works at a temperature of 10 Celsius to 55 Celsius. And if it is on the play for, it can nearly play for 3 hours, from 2 hours to 3 hours. So next it charges in just 30 minutes. So next is standby time. So the standby time is we have completely charged it and it can be kept in standby time for 72 hours. So now is the time to unpack it. So before unpacking, let me show you the outer surface of this packing. So first let's see the front part. So front part, you can see here Bluetooth, a fingerprint, a recorder and charge and a speaker and many things, many features given here. So this is denim. So next here in the side you can see that denim shirts, t-shirts, jackets, denim, trousers, shorts and many more. So denim is basically what we can say that it's basically a clothing, a fashion brand. So they've released this new denim AirPods. Okay, so you can see some other information here, the same thing. So now going to the specifications, you can see here that, so in specifications you can see that it's the model of i7s. So as I already said the specifications, you can just see it here by pausing the video. I hope you have seen it. So next the MRP is 2000, so it's 199. So now let's see what's inside this. So I opened it, nothing there. So here we have the main part. Just take it out. So here is this. So something else, yes, we have something else also. So that is this cable to charge it. So the charging port is here, you can see here. This can be plugged here and it can be plugged to the port and later charged. So I basically charge it with the mobile charger. So we'll see it inside. We have there two ports. Here one and here one. So these are the two ports. So when we see the ports, here is the basic speaker. You can see that, in which we hear songs and all other stuff. And here is the on and off button, and here is the light one. Here is the port which is mainly for charging and connecting Bluetooth. So for charging, let me show you how it charges. So you can see there the metal, one more metal strip, so that goes inside this hole here. So later it charges. So this is how it's charged. So for charging I have to just what we should do is just press on this. So you can see some light here, then just insert this in. You can also see some orange light. So I hope it's already charged. So now later you can see a light. So this is a complete, which can be used as a stand and all other things, like stand for charging. So this is the unpacking of the denim AirPods. So let's see some more information in the next part. let's see some more information. Now let's see the working of this particular device. So for this working, let me go to the settings first. Yes, I've gone to the settings here. So Bluetooth, yeah, it is here. So I'm taking the Bluetooth, and you can already see I've already connected and checked it. So available devices, you can see that TWS uh, i7, which is the name of it, already in the specification. So it's pairing with it, and yes, I'll allow it to pair, and allow and pair. So it's connected. So now let me go to music app and show you how it works. I'm going to hear Wink Music, a music app. So let me play some song here. Yes, let me play this Kannada song itself. So this is the working of the pods. So now let's wear it. So guys, it's cool here and awesome sound here. It's like I'm I'm alone in a room and it sounds really cool. So I'll just try. If you can hear it, just listen to it. But it's cool and its sound, yes, it's absolutely worth for its price, I can say. Yeah, so it's absolutely worth for its price. And 2000, yes, it's a bit costly for this earpods, but yes, it's good. And another song is playing, so I just enjoy these songs and it's really good. So talking with its performance, it's really good. And we can also see that this can also be one week when we know it is wires, so we can just wear this to our ears and just feel the vibration and listen to the song and enjoy it. So this is really like what we can say. I showed you when the working here, so I've connected it and I showed you. So you can buy in the link given below. So enjoy the song and it's a perfect buy for this earpods. The San Denim, yeah, having a released a good product. So this wireless Bluetooth are now in the trend and you should also buy it and wear this and enjoy the song. So guys, if you liked my channel, please subscribe and like my video.